We are in the city of Anaheim, which just came to install a complete central air system. Let's go take a look. Okay, this is the old condensing unit. It was probably like 35 years old. It was really old, and the furnace, it was inside the garage, but now we want to install it in the attic. So okay, well, this is the new condensing unit. It's a train. Basically, we want to check the freon, we want to check the superheat, subcooling, the amperage on the motor and compressor, and make sure it works fine. It looks like this one is perfect. Okay, now we want to check the indoor unit. Let's go up here. Yeah, we put a light so we can service the system, and this is the new system, a train indoor unit. Looks beautiful. We put insulation everywhere. We check for leaks. We don't have any leaks. I think this is perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do the test for the air velocity. You see? It's great. We need a good airflow so we can have a good cooling. This one is perfect. I like it. Okay, so now we're testing the return. So we can, the return is 75 degrees. And now, okay, now we're testing the supply. And we got 52 degrees. So 75 in the return, 52 in the supply. That's a 23 degrees split. That's perfect. Okay, we are with Christy. She's the owner of the house. What do you think about the installation? Are you happy? Did you like it? Are you satisfied with the service?
The truth is, I'm very happy and satisfied because now my house is finally cool and I'm able to work since I work also from home, and I have a lot more energy to do everything. Thank you, Delta Air, for your service and installation.